This is how to get the day of the week in Excel. I will show you two methods, one by using a formula and a second one by using format. Now, by using the formula, I'm going to the cell F2 and writing equal and then adding in the text formula. It takes two parameters. The first one is the date value, so make sure you fit it the date value. And the second one is going to be an argument where I will pass for these. I'll hit enter, and just like that, I get the day of the week starting from a date. And now the second option, if you don't want to add an additional column, simply go to the cell where you have a date, go to home, and from over here, identify this number section and expand it. Go to the custom category from over here, and in this type input, add the 4Ds that we used before and hit OK. And just like that, my cell is going to be formatted to show me the day of the week, while the underlying information here, it's going to be kept untouched. This is how to do it. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you had any issues, and I'll see you in the next one.